Hello and welcome. John here. In this video we are going to learn about Hotjar and how you can integrate this to work with EverLesson. We'll be splitting this into two or more videos. Firstly, we'll sign up and add our tracking code into EverLesson and set it to run on two of the features, which are the heat maps and the recordings. Which you can see, there's the recordings there. And the first one was the heat maps, which is showing what people are clicking, how many people are clicking on that feature. So let's get started. I'm not going to use this account to manage clients, and what I'm going to do is go over to my EverLesson dashboard, and I will use this particular site here for this demonstration. So I will copy that URL, Control C, go back to Hotjar, and I'll just put in import demo to begin with. And now I'll put my site URL that I'd copied, paste that into there. Okay, so at the moment, as you can see here, the tracking code is inactive. So what I need to do is get this code here, which I've now copied to the clipboard by clicking that button, go back into EverLesson and into the main dashboard, find the site, which is this one here, and then I want the external scripts. Click on there, and then all I'm going to do is that tracking code I'm going to copy and paste in here, go down to the bottom. It will give you this message here. Just put a tick in the I am not a robot, and normally then that will just save it and you'll see successfully updated. So I can now close that. Okay, I'm going to actually create a user account in here. So let's go back into the site. I'll go into my members. And I will create a member. I could of course use the default user option as well. import demo. Okay, so now I can select a package, put a email address in. I will add a password. And create the member. So now I should be able to go over to here and log in. And now I'm hoping I can go back to there and see excuse me, that yes, this tracking code is active. See, installation successfully verified. So now what I can do is click on heat maps, click on new heat map, give it a name, so import demo. I'm going to choose 1,000 page views. The page target, I'm going to choose the option for multiple pages. I don't want the tracking code, I want the site URL, so let's just get rid of that. Okay, so if I go back up to here, and the bit I want ends with the word site. So I can go back to here, paste that in, click on the next button, and click on create heat map. So that's now added. Now let's do the same for recordings. Any page is fine. Here I want it for sessions more than 30 seconds. And I can click start recording. So those are now both set up. I'll pause the recording and then visit the site and show you when I've got a heat map and recording to show you. So just stand by. Right, so now you can see I do have a heat map in here, and if I click that you'll see it shows where people have actually clicked. And then if I go on recordings, I do have a recording there as well, which you can see can be played back as well. So in this example it would help you actually detect that there was something not set up quite right, and you could fix it without even having to speak to your user or being reported by them. So in subsequent recordings I'll go over some of these other features here which are useful in even getting feedback, for instance, from your users. So hope you found this useful, and see you in another video soon. Thanks and bye for now.